Are 1-inch wheel spacers safe? The BONOSS wheel stud and lug nut passed the SGS and TUV test report. The matching lug nut use 40 chrome material. By continuously forging process, they have achieved ISO standard grade 10. The matching wheel stud use SCM440 steel material. It also has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, low harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. For normal driving, they can easily withstand hundreds of strong shocks and are sufficient to cope with intense racing competitions. This excellent performance from BONOSS professional and dedicated attitudes, as evident by BONOSS logo on each product. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.